Hello, I'm Felicia Orchid. I have a really important question I want to ask you. How's sales and marketing going for you? Have you reached all the people you wanted to reach? Did you sell all the products and services last year that you hoped to sell? More importantly, have you accomplished your goals and dreams? You know, they say the wealthiest place on this planet is in the graveyard. Why? Because most people never ever accomplish their goals and dreams and they take them to their grave. I don't want that to be you. Now, I could start this conversation off by selling you the dream. I could show you some big houses, some cars, some boats, and expensive vacations, but that may not be your dream. You might want to be number one in your company. You might want to start your own business. You might want to help the needy. I don't care what kind of business it is, it requires some level of sales and marketing. And if you want more, you have to do more. And my goal is to help you get there. I have 25 plus years of sales and marketing experience. And yes, I'm telling you my age. But I don't care because with that comes a lot of skills that I've learned over the years. I can go back to my very first sales job. I was a vacuum cleaner saleswoman and I sold expensive vacuum cleaner dry cleaning systems. Yes, I did well at it. I sold 30 vacuum cleaners in 60 days. That's every other day I averaged selling a vacuum cleaner. Yes, I broke company records. I actually got to go to the presidential banquet. I got to go to the Bahamas. I got trophies and plaques and clothing, and I never ever lost a competition. That's how I started, but it gets even better. I'm excellent at recruiting and training and developing people, and that's what I love to be able to do with you. Help you get to that level where you can do the same. I want you to get better at finding the right people to market your products and services to. And even more importantly, I want you to be able to close more sales. I want you to look back over 2018 and say, it was an amazing year. I can help you do that. All I need for you to do is sign up for the free webinar. And I'll tell you some secrets. I'll tell you some information that I've learned over the years that can help you get to the next level. Sign up, and I'll talk to you soon.